In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up Deel's payroll automation, so you can streamline your processes, save time, and stay compliant, whether you're paying employees or contractors globally. By the end of this video, you'll be up and running with Deel's payroll automation, making it easier than ever to manage payroll without any stress. Now let's dive into how you can set this up with Deel, a platform that's changing the game for global payroll automation. First, if you're completely new to Deel, it's an all-in-one global payroll solution. Deel allows you to manage payroll, taxes, compliance, and benefits for contractors and employees worldwide, all from one place. To start setting up Deel's payroll automation, you'll first need to create an account. Just head over to Deel's website, sign up, and choose your plan. If you're new to Deel, you can actually use the software completely free through the first link in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Once you're in, you'll see an intuitive dashboard that allows you to manage everything in one place. Let's first talk about setting up your team. Click on Team, and then Add Team Members. Here, you can invite employees or contractors by email. Deel makes it super easy. Just enter the email, assign a role, and they'll receive an invitation to fill out their details. This process ensures everyone is properly onboarded, and Deel helps automate tax and compliance documentation based on the employee's country and role. Next, let's configure the payroll settings. Go to Payroll in your dashboard. Here you can choose your payroll cycle, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. This is important because Deel automatically calculates the pay frequency and the amount owed, ensuring you're always compliant with local laws. Deel also integrates with your accounting software, so if you're using tools like QuickBooks or Xero, you can sync everything with just a few clicks. This makes it easy to track payments and expenses directly in your accounting system. You can also connect Deel to your bank to automate the payment process. Another key feature is Deel's tax automation. When you set up payroll automation, Deel will handle all the deductions automatically, ensuring that taxes are calculated according to the relevant local laws. This is especially important for managing employees in different countries. Deel does the heavy lifting for you, saving you from hours of tax research and manual entries. In addition to paying employees, Deel also offers compliance features that allow you to generate contracts, benefits, and ensure all paperwork is in order. Deel's system ensures that the correct benefits and entitlements are provided to your employees, whether you're hiring someone in the US, Europe, or Asia. Once payroll is set up, Deel sends reminders and notifications so you'll never miss a payment. You can approve the payroll manually, or if you've set it up for full automation, Deel can handle everything without you having to approve each individual payment. One of the most powerful features of Deel's payroll automation is its multi-currency support. You can pay employees and contractors in their local currency, and Deel will automatically handle the conversion and transfers. This is a massive time saver when managing teams across multiple countries. Before you finish setting everything up, make sure to double check your settings. Deel provides real-time payroll reports that give you a clear overview of the amounts paid, deductions made, and any other payroll-related details. This gives you peace of mind knowing that everything is transparent and accurate. To wrap things up, setting up Deel's payroll automation is incredibly straightforward. The platform's intuitive interface and seamless integration with other tools make it a powerful solution for businesses looking to automate and streamline payroll. Don't forget, you can get started for free with the link below. And remember, Deel's payroll automation can handle employees and contractors globally, making it one of the best tools out there for scaling your business. If you're interested in getting started, make sure to check out the exclusive free trial offer in the description so you can take Deel for a test drive with no risk. Thanks for watching.